Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. That is, how to prevent your keyboard from making sound while typing. So to stop your keyboard from sounding when you type, this is what you have to do. The first thing you can do, you have to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings on this iPhone. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, you want to scroll down, just continue scrolling down. You will see sounds and haptics. So I want you to tap on that sounds and haptics. So let's tap on that. Once you tap on sounds and haptics, you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to where we have keyboard feedback. So I want you to tap on that keyboard feedback. So once you tap on the keyboard feedback, it will take you to another page. On this page, you are going to see where it says sound. Under keyboard feedback, you are going to see sound. As you can see, this sound is turned off. Make sure this sound is turned off. Once this sound is turned off, this will prevent your keyboard from sounding when you are typing. So guys, this is how to actually stop keyboard sound on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.